Hello, Drill Tech Buzz. We've got the new Pamu Z1 earbuds in us today, and it's ANC, dual active noise cancellation and dual microphone and low latency. And on the back, independent and hybrid active noise cancelling processor system, dual microphone noise cancellation, low latency 10 PN titanium composite speaker, IPX4 and Bluetooth 5.2. And you've also got a replacement belt. So let's have a look and see what they look like. They do come in a range of colours. You can mix and match, which is nice. So let's have a gander. And there we go. So inside we have got also now, this isn't easy to get into either, but we'll get there and we have it. So in here we have got a little Pamu bag, which is nice, so that's good for storing them when not in use or travelling. And that's really nice to see. You've also got some operations and other bits and pieces there, and a Pamu app which you can download, which we'll show you in our review. And in here we have got the full user guide in different languages, and we have in here we have got a full range of tips, and they are clear tips, as you can see. So all in all, pretty nice. Let's have a look at the headphones. So you've got this cool little Pamu tag on the side here. You've got the Pamu branding on the front, USB-C on the bottom, and that's it. So if we open them up, you have got this. Let's check out. Well, of course, you've got your USB-C cable there as well. Strong magnets, they ain't budging. Whoops. And we have got some sticky tape on the side, so that's to stop them from connecting. So I'm going to take that off now on both. So that is the shape of them. They look really nice indeed, and you can see you've got left and right branding there, and you have got your connection points down here on the bottom there, and that's it. And how they look really nice, and kind of similar design to on the bottom, like my sound cars there, kind of similar to them. So quickly going to try and fit one in the ear. And they fit really well actually, so that's nice to see, and you've a good seal on them too. I might need to update them buds to the next size up, but we'll check that out as I test them. So let's have a look at this replacement band as well. Very nice. You get a couple of different colours, so that's cool. So you've got black, silver and white, and then you have the blue on it there, and that's the back of it there. So that's nice to see if you happen to lose one, or whatever the case is, or if you just change the colours and mix things up. It's a nice offering there, something new. So let's get these tested now. I've tested all our earbuds, and so far every earbud I've tested belonging to this company has been excellent, and they have an app as well, so we'll have to check that out. And overall the earbuds have been really good and offering consumers good value for money. So I'm hoping the same will apply here, but stay tuned for a full review on TechBuzz Ireland soon. And any questions, of course, feel free to ask, and we'll gladly answer them. But until then, we'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.